Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Today was Saturday, the 28th of February, and we finished with $415.10. And I believe that was mainly because one, it fell on a Saturday, two, because I took half a day on Friday. I've mentioned many times before that I believe $3,000 is kind of like their cap, and 7 days times 400 is $2,800. So I really think that there is a limit to how much you can earn. But today they graced me with the personal achievement of my own goal of making over $400 per day, which I'm thankful for. That helps to offset 40, $50 lost from yesterday. Yesterday being my 16-year anniversary with what love of my life, and we just spent time together and ordered out instead of cooking at the house. So yesterday was a relaxing day. Still got some stuff done, but just spent some time with the family. Watched a good hockey game with the Utah Mammoth, and yeah. So this is actually a screenshot because I didn't do the recording last night. Just full disclosure. So we're going to go take a look at the earnings. No, we're going to go take a look at ratings. Ratings right now, currently, we're at 93% acceptance rate, 100% completion, 100% on time. Customer rating 4.96, 30-day delivery 1144, lifetime delivery 48,697. That's 303 away from 49,000. So probably Monday we should hit 49,000, and then what? That leaves 1,000 divided by 40 deliveries a day, so that's 25 days. So actually anywhere from March 25th to April 1st, we should possibly hit 50,000 deliveries. Hopefully it doesn't stretch out to the 1st. I am taking my birthday March 11th off. I don't want everybody to sit down and think that this was a April Fool's joke. I'm sure that there'll be some out there thinking that, but it is what it is. But yeah, 40 deliveries a day times 25 days, that should be another 1,000 deliveries or so. All right, I'm getting my day started, revving up the engine now as we speak. Just filled up gas, and we're off and running for the next day already. Sorry I didn't do the recording last night, but didn't finish until about 12:30. Took a 2-hour nap, and now we entered our numbers into the Google Sheet, and now we're filled up and ready to rock and roll. So hopefully your night went well last night. Hopefully you made it home safe, and hopefully this morning you're ready to go for success.